today I'm going to share with you a few of the ChatGPT features that makes using ChatGPT and makes life incredibly easier for me. So we're going to jump straight into it. I'm going to start recording my screen now and I'm going to share with you. But if you're new here, hi, my name is Toby. Welcome to She Builds Empires. Over here, we're learning AI tools. We're learning how to make money using AI because we're not about to get left behind. I myself am a stay-at-home homeschool mom to 3 kids, and I've been working from the comfort of my home for about 8 years. And so my desire is to teach people. I also studied as a teacher, so that I feel like that's why I like to teach. But welcome, and we're going to jump straight into these features, these ChatGPT features that I use that makes life easier for me. All right, so you ready? Now let's go. All right, so this is my screen. The first one will be the scheduled tasks. And here is where I schedule things to just run on their own, like daily. So over here, you'll see AI video opportunity watch. And what this one does is it monitors the AI ecosystem for me. Okay, let me open it again. It monitors the AI ecosystem for me. And every day it tells me what's new, what I need to lock into. So you can see this is 8 hours ago, right? There's one fresh AI development from August 24 that's worth a video. OpenAI has brought the full GPT 5.6 family into AWS Cairo coding agent. So you can see that's what it does. And it gives me video ideas to post that week. OpenAI just made AI agents way cheaper and blah, blah, blah. So you can see that's what it does for me. This is another one. This one gives me a morning brief, and every morning it gives me a nervous system reset, because as a mom sometimes you're stuck in the fight or flight mode, and I've been trying to regulate my nervous system. I won't tell you the truth. And so this one helps me regulate my nervous system. It gives me scripture for the day. For example, look, the scripture it has given me for today: in quietness and confidence is your strength. Isaiah chapter 30 verse 15. And he uses the NLT because I love the NLT, right? And then the prayer for the day, my mystic side. Sometimes I like to be mystic. And then it also shows me what to remember for the day. For example, my calendar, my schedule for the day. It pulls from my Google Calendar and it just tells me what to do. The script next to videos, what this one does is it goes into AI opportunity watch over here, and it takes the videos that have been suggested and it scripts them for me. So you can see, and it runs even when my laptop is closed. It just continues doing its work. And this one is the weekly AI build. All right. And the weekly AI build tells me what to build. It gives me ideas on the automations to build that week. All right. So for example, this one says turn messy notes into an action list. What you're building, a prompt that organizes messy notes into a short summary, blah, 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 blah. And it gives me steps on how to achieve that. So as I'm learning how to automate, it's giving me projects that I can do every week, which is super amazing. And then the creator economy brief. What's going on with that? I don't know. Okay, it's not really run. It's going to run in 43 minutes, and in 43 minutes, I'm going to find the results here. So this is one amazing ChatGPT tool. And if you're not using it, you should literally be using it now. ChatGPT it's becoming more and more powerful as the day goes, and this is one thing I'm really excited about. The second thing I use will be the GPTs and the custom GPTs. First of all, this is the GPT store, and a lot of people don't know about the GPT store. For example, this is a GPT. If you click on this GPT, this one helps you research. So if you're a researcher, you're doing your master's or your PhD, you can use that. And this is another one: fitness, workout, and diet. It's a PhD coach. So this is your coach. Once you install these GPTs, it's going to be, so for example, if you say start chat, right, and you say I want to lose weight, you would see that it will, you know, the main driver of weight loss is sustainable calorie. If you give me your age, sex, height, current weight, and typically blah blah blah, I can estimate sensible calorie targets and build you a simple weight loss plan. All these GPTs are already in the GPT store, right? You don't have to turn your own ChatGPT into all of that, and it will help you build it. All right, these are GPTs by ChatGPT. This is DALI, right, for creating images, and this is Monday, a personality experience. You may not like it, it may not like you, whatever. It helps you, I think, find your personality and all of that. Now, another important part about this is you can create your own GPT. All right, so if you click on here, you can, build your own GPT. Tell it what you want it to build, what you want the GPT to be able to do, and it'll go ahead and build you a GPT by itself. The next one will be the work mode, and the work mode is similar, almost the same thing as Claude Cowork. So this is the chat mode that most of you have. Now, if you have subscribed to ChatGPT Pro, you would have the work mode, and what the work mode does is it goes into your computer to help you do stuff, organize files, create folders, all the things that Claude Cowork can do. ChatGPT Work will do it for you. And the truth is, I've been enjoying ChatGPT Work as much as Claude Code. As a matter of fact, as Claude Cowork, as a matter of fact, this entire week I have spent time on ChatGPT Work, right, rather than Claude Cowork. And now let me tell you the beautiful part of it. The beautiful part of it is you can import your skills from Claude into ChatGPT. For example, all of my skills that are on Claude, I imported them into ChatGPT. So I have my skills here in ChatGPT, which is super amazing. All right, which is super amazing. So if you go into, as in the library, the skills in that, I can't even remember where the skills are anymore. Help me. Oh yeah, the skills are over here in the plugin. So if you click on the plugins and you click on skills, all right, you will see these are the skills that I've created. It says created by me, but I created all of this in Claude. There's skills in Claude that I moved over to ChatGPT, and in a different video I would show you guys how to do it. All right, and that of course brings me to connected apps. ChatGPT, with ChatGPT you can connect your apps. All right, first of all, if we look at the plugins and we come here, you would see that these are the apps that I've connected to my Google spreadsheet, my PDF, my Notion. Over here you can connect your Gmail. These are the apps you can connect. So if you connect your Gmail, it can go into your Gmail, read your emails, respond to emails for you, and do all of those things, which is amazing. Google Calendar, I've connected my Google Calendar. That's why there is no plus sign in front of it. And that's how it's able to go into my calendar every day and give me a brief of what I need to be doing every day as well. So these are lots of apps you can connect to it, and ChatGPT can help you work with it. One of the ones I love the most is Higgsfield, which is a image and video creating app. And so you can go to ChatGPT and create your videos after you've connected Higgsfield to it. So everything, even HeyGen as well. So ChatGPT can become this amazing ecosystem for everything. The next one will be projects. And here you can see that I have 3 projects here. This is therapy, neuropsychology, and Instagram. So if you open Instagram, you can see 30-day burnout journaling. What this project does is it helps me build my entire Instagram. And so every time I go into the project to start a chat, it knows that I'm talking about Instagram. So I don't have to start every chat introducing ChatGPT to what it already has context. And neuropsychology here, since I'm studying neuropsychology, you can see it says 6-month study plan. So whenever I go into the project neuropsychology to start any chat, I'm not having to give it context as to what I needed to do. It just already knows what I needed to do, and it goes and does it. Now the final one I'm going to be sharing with you guys is the voice mode, and this has totally changed the game for me. Especially sometimes an idea comes into my head and I'm driving, I'm doing other tasks, I cannot type. I go into the voice mode and say, let me allow it. I use it most times on my phone, and I say, hey ChatGPT, tell me what your voice mode can do. And I just hit send. That is it. There it is. Hey ChatGPT, tell me what your voice mode can do. Right? And I hit send, and ChatGPT is responding to me. This has totally changed it for me. So I'm not pulling over and trying to type. I don't have to type any all the time. Sometimes I may be helping my kids with the homework and I just remember something and I just grab ChatGPT, turn on the voice mode, and I'm talking to it. And of course, when ChatGPT responds, I can hit play on the bottom of it so that I can hear the response at all. I don't have to read. And this has totally changed it for me, changed how I use AI. Now, I want you to tell me in the comment section, which of these ones do you guys use? Which one do you use? Do you use any of these tools at all? Right? If you do, I'd really love to know. To tell me in the comment section, this is the one I use, or this is the one I would like to use. All right, so let me know in the comment section. Also, if you found this video helpful, you're going to find the Empire Academy helpful as well, because this and even more are the things we touch in the Empire Academy. We go deeper on how to set up these things, how to create your own skills, how to use all of these tools to create income from the comfort of your home. Okay, and if you don't mind, I invite you to join us in the Empire Academy. Actually, join us. All right, I invite you to join us. You're gonna love it. There is an entire community of almost 100 women like you learning AI, learning how to use AI, learning how to use it to create income and all of that. So that academy is for you. And I hold master classes every month where we go deeper into all of these tools. All right, so I invite you to join us. But overall, I thank you for watching this video, and if you've enjoyed it so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. Give it a thumbs up, and until I see you in the next one, I hope you have an amazing day. My name is still Rich. Ciao ciao.